Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the ServiceGuru Whereabouts app for ServiceM8. We're going to start off by understanding a little bit about what the app does and how we set it up and then see it in action. So the Whereabouts add-on for Chrome is designed to give you more information about where your team are located, when they've checked into a job, and give you a bit of history as to where they have been as they work through their schedule for the day. It also gives you the option to check them out of a job should they still be checked in, and really just gives you more information to understand what's happening through the course of the day as you run the business. So let's jump right in and go and see how we set this up within the system. So the first thing that we always do is go over to our add-ons tab. We go and select the add-on, and we now going to need to add this extension to Chrome. So of course we need to be logged into a Chrome browser. We're going to go and click on the install link. This will take us to the Chrome store where we can go ahead and add the add-on. We're going to add the extension. And what we'll notice is the extension pops into the top right hand corner over here. So we can go ahead and close this window now. And the next step is to go and apply our code to the extension. So we're going to copy that. We simply come over here, we click on our add-on, and we now apply the code. So we apply that code over there, and go ahead and save that. And immediately what you'll notice is that your team pop up into the list, and we can start having a look and see information about this. So let's go to our dispatch board. The good thing about it being an extension is that you can use it anywhere. You don't even need to be logged onto or in the ServiceM8 tab. You can use this at any point. Quickly go and click on the add-on and get an insight or find out some information about where your team are located. So let's just click out of there. Let's go look at the dispatch map. So the traditional sense is we've got an idea of where the jobs are located. We can see where our team are located on the map, but what we don't know is what time they checked into a job and how long they were at that job during the course of a normal day. So let's go ahead and look at this in action. We're going to go and check into a job. So we are going to go off screen and start a job, and we have, as you can see in the bottom left hand corner, started job number 16. So if we go ahead and click onto our whereabouts, what we'll notice now is that we can see that Joe Soap has started job number 16. It's the client is Soft Rolls Bakery. We checked in at 7:33, and we're currently checked in working at this job. Now we also have a list of the last 10 check-ins, and so as we start to accrue these check-ins as we go, we can see that so far he has checked into job number 23 and job number 18. Here are the respective check-in and check-out times, and we can see how much time was spent on site. So really useful to understand what's actually been happening at the job site, saving again phone calls to your team to find out, how did the job go, how long were you on site for, and what time did you leave. So again, lots of useful information. And we also have our little toggle on the side, which is super useful. So should a team member have forgotten to check out a job, it is a simple task of just clicking onto the toggle. And as you can see over here, we have now checked that staff member out of that job. So long gone are the days of having overrun on a job where a technician's forgotten to check out of a job and the time has run away. Now we can keep better control of that, and it's also really useful when using our time tracking application as well. So that's the ServiceGuru Whereabouts add-on for ServiceM8. A very powerful, useful tool to give you more insight into where your team are and what they're up to.